Everyone. Let's see. Let me do this. Let me create a new file here and close this one here. And then jump onto the problem on hand. Okay, we're doing number 6 now. Ask the user to enter a number x. Use a SEP optional argument to print out x, 2 times x, 4 times x. Blah blah blah. Each separated by 3 digits, like below. Okay. Again, it seems like I only need one line of code here. First things first, I wanna retrieve x. One, two, three. That should do it, shouldn't it? It's better. Cannot wait to get to interesting chapters. Yeah, you guys. Again, let's try something like. Wait. I messed up here. No wonder we got an incorrect solution. For a slightest moment, I almost messed up. For a slightest moment, I thought I messed up. Okay. That's it, you guys. Again, feel free to let me know in case you think I did mess up, because sometimes I make mistakes just like the one I did. Instead of going 4 times x, I went 4 times 4. Sometimes I tend not to point out those silly mistakes, and then people, they end up thinking that I've got lame solutions, which I probably do. But then, I mean, if you guys aren't gonna let me know, I'll keep repeating mistakes. Okay, so that's why I dare you to please feel free to share your opinion. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone.